Should you or should you not turn on your webcam when engaging with someone on a virtual call? Hi, I'm Willa Mosich, and welcome to this week's edition of Botsplash TV, where I'll be going over webcam etiquette when it comes to virtual calls. Virtual calls became the norm during the pandemic, using such teleconferencing tools as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx to link up with clients, partners, and prospects face-to-face. But with the face-to-face part, one requires a webcam to properly display themselves on another person's screen. Having a webcam on and ready tells others on the call that you are present and in the moment. Now, there will be times when a person simply doesn't feel comfortable having their camera on, and that is to be understood. Having a webcam on, however, simply gives others a view that is more than just a black computer screen. Having a webcam on brings about a human touch. It tells others that you took the time to be in the now and to be with the people you're interacting with. It is a form of an unwritten yet recognizable show of respect that tells other people on the call that everyone can engage in an open and transparent way. I'm Willa Mosich, and thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Botsplash TV.